everyone, I'm Karen and today my topic is about tips and tricks for brand to start live streaming part 1. Okay, so I'm Karen Tan from SushiVid, also the SushiVid live stream manager. I have 1.5 years experience in influencer marketing, and in the last year, 2019, SushiVid have worked with 2,000 plus influencers and created 10,000 plus branded content. And here are some brands that we are working with. They are Spreezer, Sophie, Tag Heuer, Bros, Cake Tokyo, Jacobs, and many more. And SushiVid, we have come up with a new platforms. We call it as Confirm Price Shop. In short term, we can call it as CPC. So Confirm Price Shop is actually a cost per sales model where the brands only need to pay when there's a sales through our influencer e-commerce page. And how does Confirm Price Shop works? So first step, we will begin with the onboarding. We will have some discussion meetings, and once everything is confirmed, then the brands can deliver the samples to our to our office, and we will repack the products to the influencers, or the brand can directly send the products to the influencers. And once the influencer receives the product, then we can start with the step 3, which is the influencers begin selling the products while live streaming, and also do some social media posting. And the last step, of course, will be get some sales. Okay, so back to the topics that for this part 1 video, I will be only cover and sharing 3 contents. So do stay tuned for my part 2 video for more contents. So in this video, I'll be covering about why should a brand do live streamings, what is the ideal time for live streaming, and also how to sell products while live streaming. So let's get started. So first one, why should a brand do live streamings? So first one will be, so I make it into 3 main points. So first one will be authentic, second one will be real-time engagement, and last one will be trust money come by. Okay, so first one, authentic, is because live stream is not a pre-recorded content, unlike any social media posting like pictures, video that can be edited, but live stream is not pre-recorded content, so we can't do any editing stuff. So yeah, and second one will be real-time engagement. So whenever an influencer or host is doing a live stream, and the viewers can actually give an instant reaction like likes, love, and also comments, and asking about ask some questions like how to use the products, what is the promotion price. And also the best part about doing live stream to promote your product is that the viewers can actually buy the product on the spot, like add to cart the product on the spot and make the purchase. How cool is that, right? Okay, and the last one will be trust money come by. Is that for this one, I would suggest a brand to engage and influencers to do a live streaming sections, because you are not only engage a person to help you to promote about the products, to talk about the products, but you're actually getting the influencers and their followers to your live stream sections. And because the influencers and their followers have built up a certain trust relationship, so whenever the influencers are selling about products, their viewers, their followers will actually buy the products to support the influencers. So I hope you guys understand the 3 main reasons to do live streamings. Okay, and move to the second content will be, what is the ideal time for live streaming? So I spread the 2 parts. So the left one will be the brand seller account, and right side will be the influencer seller account. So for the brand seller account, because the account is owned by you, owned by the brand, so you can do as long as you want because it's free. And you can maybe perhaps say one day you do 3 section live stream is okay because it's your account. But for the influencer seller account, right, actually you will need to pay the influencers to do the live streaming content. So perhaps I would say minimum an hour sections will do to cover about your products. So there's a difference between the brand seller account and influencer seller account. The brand one you can do as long as you want. For the influencer account, I would say minimum hour content will do. Okay, and move to the last content will be how to sell products while live streaming. So I make it into provided three main points. So the first one will be bestseller items, the second one will be only chance, and last one will be special offer. So for the bestseller items, right, you need to give out your number one products, your bestseller, because people don't want number two, number three, number four. Because in order to build the trust with you, your brands, your products, with the new audience, you need to give out your best one. So whenever they purchase your bestseller items, they have a good reviews on it, then they will following purchase other products from your brands. So you need to give out your bestseller items. And the second one will be only chance. How to say only chance is because the influencers and the hosts need to like on the spot saying that, okay, this is the only chance to get this promotion price during this live stream only. So after the live stream is entered, after the campaign is entered, you can't get this promotion price anymore. So people will feel like, okay, fear of missing out, so they will feel like, okay, I will buy it now because I want to get the promotion price. Okay, so and for the last one will be special offer, where who doesn't like special offers? No one don't like. So I would suggest the brands to give some sweets to your audience, where you can either give free shippings, or maybe like buy one free one promotions, or even like massive discount like 50% off, 70% off. So like this, people feel like, okay, I can buy it now during this live stream and it worth my money because I can get so many like special offers. But after the live stream, there is no this special offer anymore. So I hope you guys like fully understand and like can apply these strategies to sell your product while live streaming. Okay, and that's all for my part 1 video sharing content. So if you guys are interested to know more about cost per sales model and also how to do live streamings for your brand, you can always email me at karen@sushivid.com, or contact me, WhatsApp me, call me, either way will do. And also if you want to visit our website, you can go to www.confirmproudshop.com. So I hope to see you guys on my part 2 video. Bye!